I am Aryan Kumar, a third year BCA student. Today I am standing here to present a website which is designed using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap as well as Tailwind CSS. So, in the guidance of Neeraj Kumar Singh sir, I have designed this website. In this website, we can perform some database operations like create, read, update, and delete using PHP and MySQL database. So let's see how it is working. So this is my landing page of e-commerce website. Here we can see that here is a carousel which is auto scrolling. After this, we have latest product section. Here all the product will be listed which are stored in the database. After that, we have about sections about the store, and after that we have contact details. If anyone have query to how we are dealing with the products, then he can query from here. So let's see how can we manage the products and create some products for our store. For creating products, we will click on manage product. So here let's try to create some product. Here we will input the product name like we can also choose the image of that product. For example, we are seeing that our product is being stored in the database, and here is the list. Let's see it is showing on our website or not. So here we can see that our product is being listed, and after that we can also search the product using search box. Here is one result, so it is not going. Let's add. We can also edit this product using this. We can delete also. We can also sort the products according to this ID and name. When we click on this, the product will be sorted according to the ID. If we will click on this, then the product will be sorted according to the alphabetically. Let's see how it is being sorted. So here we can see that if we click on ID, then the list will be sorted. See, if we want to sort the data according to the high price to the low price, then we will click on the price. Then the products which are high price, having high price, will be sorted according to the descending order. We can also search the product like yes. We can see that our after writing this is out, then the list is auto sorted. So this is from my side. Thank you.